Right, let's do an unboxing for this object. What is in here, you might ask? Well, you probably know from the title of this video, but it's a 3D printed vase in a ceramic material. It's from Drag and Drop. You can find the link in the description. It comes in this cardboard cylinder, and it has this very nice, like, textured print, I guess, or stamp on it that says Drag and Drop, and I'm guessing this is the same material that is used for the printing. So let's see. This is the invoice, you don't need that. And it's well packed. Come on. And on the side it says it's black, but it's actually this dark gray, which I prefer. I actually saw this at an exposition before, so I knew what I was getting. And it's very nicely made. It has also a stamp in here with Drag and Drop. As you might know, or maybe not, if you're into 3D printing, this is most likely done in a spiral motion. And when you print stuff in a spiral motion, so that you don't have like a seam where the nozzle would go up if it wasn't in a spiral motion, but rather by layers. So if you print like this in a spiral motion, at the top you can see this. You can see that where the nozzle stopped printing. But this is nicely finished. You don't see that. It's just flat and uniform. And it looks very nice. And I think it's decently priced. I'm gonna put some dead flowers in it. Or actually, this, it's catnip or something like that, but this might be a bit too long, but let's give it a go anyway. Yeah. This isn't gonna work. Yeah, I'll just find some other flowers. I guess I'll need to buy some flowers. So yeah, check it out if you want.